Right now, I am on the app Flight Radar 24, which is a popular flight radar app that works in real time. So the reason why I'm doing this, let's localize in on where Hurricane Milton is right now, just to see what planes are currently in the sky near the hurricane and what is going on. So here we have this one, Teal 73. And right now, this is the U.S. Air Force, and we can see the route. By the way, I forget what plane that is. That might be a, if you know, put it in the comments. Maybe that's a, oh, here it is right here. I was going to say it's a Globemaster. It is a 130 Lockheed Martin. So you can see that the route that the plane is taking, and clearly it's related to monitoring the hurricane. So let's see what this plane is. That is not available. And then there's an American Airlines plane, which is probably on a different vector and going around it. This looks like something related to the hurricane. And it is. This is a government weather agency plane, NOAA. And it looks like it took off out of Mobile, Alabama, and is going back there. And this also is clearly taking a route to monitor the hurricane. Let's see what this one is. Oh, and there's a JetBlue flight. That seems to be it. I know earlier there was a Spirit Airlines flight in the area. That's probably gone. You can see there's the sky right now in general. A lot of planes up in the air at any given time. But it's always extra interesting to go to this when there's inclement weather of this proportion. So again, this was the Flight Radar 24 app, and we're looking at the Hurricane Milton area on Wednesday night. All right, if you have any questions, put them in the comments.